Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how you're going to update your remote with the Onn TV. So with Onn TV, follow the steps and you update your remote. Now navigate to quick settings and there you find all the settings. Could you notice you find update your remote here? This is where you want to go. Just click on it and you come to remote control update. It can take up to 30 seconds. Your remote may be briefly disconnected several times during the update, so just click on continue and you're going to have your remote updated on the Onn TV. It is simple, it is straightforward. Your remote control update is very important. If you have an Onn TV, you'll know that they are one of the best remotes. It is soft, it is clicky, damped, precise, and to the point. So it's important to have this remote updated so it works seamlessly with your TV and gives you those instant responses. If you found that insightful, forgot the steps to install an update on your remote, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and join the family. I'll be waiting to see you in the next video.